seen lots of people doing videos on YouTube showing how to put two pieces of carpet together, joining them using tape and using an iron to melt the glue on this tape. And all of the videos I saw, they were melting the glue from the top side. I want to try something different, see what happens. I want to try to stick the tape on the back side and try to use a normal iron, clothes iron, on the back side and try to melt the glue from behind. So let's see what happens. So I got the two parts I want to glue. The carpet is upside down. So I could put this tape here in the middle. And I'm going to start fitting, see what happens. I can feel it's already melting the glue. So I've been doing this for a couple of minutes. I was just moving back and forth and feeling, and I can feel like it's super hot now, and I can feel that it's a little bit soft. So it means it is working and it's melting the glue behind. I did a little test here before I did the join, and on this test it looks like it's very well glued. It's already cold there. So just seeing what's gonna happen here. I'll do a little bit more, just push a little bit as well with the pressure. I can feel very hot. Yeah, super hot. So I'll just turn off now and check in a couple of minutes. Okay, now it's cold. Time to try. That looks alright. It's very good, very well glued. I'd say it's a success.